In this video, we will see dry run of the code. So now let's quickly check the dry run of it. Okay. So let's start. First of all, sort the array. So this my array is already sorted. Okay. Minus negative elements are here. So this step is done already. And then we will create an answer array. So let me put answer here. I will store my answer here. I will start from 0 to n. So I will take I pointer here, and this will responsible for L pointer. This will responsible for R pointer. And here we will just check the condition. Okay. Is it equal to 0 or not? So let me take the red pen, and now let's quickly start. So my I pointer is here at 0. Okay. So is I is greater than 0? No, I is 0. So I won't come under this if condition. I will simply check Li plus 1. So Li plus 1, L will be 1. Rn minus 1. So what is the n here? So n is here 13. So 13 minus 1, it will be 12. Okay. Now is L is less than R? Yes, absolutely. L is less than R. And nums of I plus nums of L plus nums of R is equals to 0. So nums of I, let's see, minus 3, and nums of L is at here and R is at here. Okay, so minus 3 and plus 3. Is it 0? Okay, no, not equal to 0. So I won't come here. I will check this condition. Is it less than 0? So yes, it is less than 0. So let me mention it is. What is the correct number? So it is minus 3, and yes, it is less than 0. So I will do L plus plus. So L will be now 2. So L will be now 2. Okay, L will be at index 2 here. Okay, now I will again come here. Again, I am in the same loop. Okay, this is nums of I plus nums of L plus nums of R is equal to 0. So minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Is it 0? Okay, no, it is not 0. Okay, it is not 0. So what it is? So it's minus 1. Okay, it's minus 1. Again, it is less than 0. So what I will do? I will again move my L pointer forward. So now L pointer will be 3. R pointer is same with 12. So L pointer is 3. What is the sum? Same sum, minus 3, then minus 1, then plus 3. Okay, that is minus 1. Again less than 0. Do L plus plus. So I will move my L pointer now here. Okay, so now is L pointer is at 4, R pointer is at same. What is the value? Minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Again the value is same, that is minus 1. Okay, which is less than 0. Again do L plus plus. So I will do 0, 5, 12. And now what is the value? Minus 3 plus 0 plus 3, and that is equals to 0. So here I am getting a solution, and I will come inside this condition. I will create my triplet. What is my triplet now? Minus 3, 0, comma 3. Okay, I will push into an answer. So I have pushed it, and L plus plus and R minus minus. So I will simply move my L pointer, and I will simply move my R pointer. But after moving L and R pointer, I will check these condition. Is L is less than R? Yes, it is. So let me move my L pointer. L is at 6, R is at 11. Okay. So is nums of L is equals to nums of L minus 1? And yes, nums of L is equals to nums of L minus 1. Both are same. So what I will do? I will do L plus plus. Okay. Is it still same? Yes, it is. So I will do L plus plus. Right. So after doing so much L plus plus, my L pointer will be at 8. Okay. And what about R? Is R is same as R plus 1? Yes, it is same as R plus 1. So I will move my R pointer here. Again, it is same as the R plus 1. So I will again move my pointer here. So now what is the pointer direction? R is pointing to 9. Now let's check out the sum. What it is? So minus 3 we have minus 3. Then after minus 3 we need to check L pointing to plus 1, R pointing to plus 1. Okay. So again, now the total is minus 1, which is less than 0. This condition will trigger R plus plus. So I will do L plus plus. L will be 9, R will be 9, and I will check, is L is less than R here? No, right? So this condition now break. Okay, and I will come here this part, right? When I am coming to here, I will do I plus plus. No, I is pointing to 1. So now I will point to 1. So let me remove all these things to create, like this is creating confusion. I will remove it and I will say my I pointer is pointing to here. That is 1. Now, is I is greater than 0? Yes, I is 1. I is greater than 0. And nums of I is equals to nums of I minus 1. Yes, it is also equal. So I will simply move it. I will simply move it. And now I am getting a difference. Nums of I is not equals to nums of I minus 1. Right. So this is a change and it will simply move to 1 to 2. Okay. L will be I plus 1. So this will be L pointer. That is again 3. R will be n minus 1. So R will be again plus 3. Okay. Like this plus 3 is the element. So R is at 12. Okay, and now let's see what is my nums of I plus nums of L plus nums of R. Nums of I minus 1, nums of L minus 1, nums of R plus 3. I am getting a plus 1 as an answer. Is it equal to 0? Is it less than 0? No, it is greater than 0. So I will come under R minus minus condition. I will simply move R forward. So now R is pointing to 11. Okay, so it is 2. It is 3 and R is at 11. Again, same sum, minus 1 plus 3, right? Plus 1. Again, I will fall inside else condition, R minus minus. Okay. Again, same result will come. So I am moving again forward. Now I will do this one. So now R is pointing to 9. Okay. And what is the sum? Minus 1, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so I am getting minus 1 as an answer. Now again, it is less than 0. So L plus plus. I will do L plus plus. Right. So 2 will be same and it will be now 4. It will be 9 again. And what is the value? Again minus 1 plus 1. That is again minus 1. Right. So again my L pointer will move and I will come here. Okay. Once I come here, what is my L pointer pointing to? 5th of index, R is pointing to 9th of index. What is the result? Minus 1, 0 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 0. So I will come here, I will create a triplet and I will push into my answer array. So I will push into my answer array. We'll get minus 1, 0 and 1. I will push it. Okay, and I will also push it. I will do L plus plus and R minus minus. So I will push it L plus plus and R minus minus. Once I did it, okay, so it will be 6, it will be 9, 8, right? And it will be here 2, 6, 8. So once I did it, I will again check, is L is less than R? 6 is less than 8? Yes. And nums of L is equals to nums of L minus 1? Yes. Nums of L is equals to L minus 1. So I will simply move it. Again, this is equal. So I will simply move it. Okay. And same with R. Is it equal? Yes. So it will also move. So now here you can see R and L are both are greater. Like R is greater to L. So again, this condition will break it and I will fall again here. I will again start with I. Okay. So if I am deleting some of the entries that were the starting, okay. So now again it will comes to I. I will be, I was 3, I was 2, right? I was here. Now I will be at 3, I plus plus. Now is I same as the I is greater than 0? Yes, I is greater than 0. And nums of I is equals to nums of I minus 1? Yes, it is. So I pointer will also move. Okay. Is it same again? Yes. So I pointer will again move. Okay. So I will pointing to 5th, right? So I will simply change it to 5th because of this condition, it will simply continue. Now L pointer will be I plus 1. So L pointer will be at 6 here. So let me remove all these things. So I pointer is pointing to 5th, L pointer is pointing here, and R pointer will again start from the 12th condition. Okay. So again here I will check what is the value 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 0, okay, and plus 3, which is greater than 0, 3, right? So what I will do? I will do R minus minus, okay. Again, it won't change the sum again. So I will move R pointer again, right? It won't change the sum. I will move my R pointer and now we will check, right? So what is the now R and L pointer location 5, 6, 9, 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1, which is again greater. So I will move my R pointer. Again, it won't change the sum. Again, which is also greater than 1, I will do R minus minus and I will come here. Okay. And now what I will get? I will get 0. Let me write it 5, 6, and here it is at 7. Right. So here I will get 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0. Right. So this is also one possible solution. Right. So this is also one possible solution. I will simply come here. I will push it and I will do L plus plus and R minus minus. Once I did it, R is greater than L. R is greater than L, and I will simply stop it here. Again, we will start with the I. So by this way, you will able to find these three solutions. So we are getting one more solution, that is 0, 0 and 0. I hope like I have not paired here that one solution we will get 0, 0, 0, because that is also one triplet, right? Okay. So these were the three solutions we will get, and this is how your code will works. So I hope you got the complete understanding. You got the dry run. Okay, you can write the same code in any language. This is a basic pseudo code, and yeah, it's all set. Okay, see you in the next problem.